Hi, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is show you how to gain a winning edge in the markets using volume profile, VWAP, and trend lines. And we'll keep it really simple. First up, determine the days of the week. You can do a search and days of the week indicator, grab that. Pick up a fixed range volume profile over in here in TradingView, fixed range, and you're going to pull it from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. That's day one. Okay, we'll grab another instance, fixed range volume profile, beginning of the next day to the end. That's day number 2. And you're going to look for the red dotted line through here. That's the point of control on both days. And what we look for is, if we pick up a trend line, okay, pull it through here, determine the trend. We're bullish, higher highs, higher lows, and you want to enter the trade when price action retests this range. You can see the value area here, okay, point of control on day 1, point of control on day 2, trend line, and we start to break away from the point of control, leaving both days behind. Now, how do we know when to get involved? We take an anchored VWAP. You can find the anchored VWAP down in here, and we place it on previous low, go back, previous low, okay, the next low is here, and what we're doing is we're building a VWAP cluster. Now, see here, we've got our trend line, got our volume profile, point of control, day 1, point of control, day 2, and VWAP. We break above, we come back, retest VWAP here, and that is where you enter long position, right there. Stop under the previous low. In fact, you can tighten that up and go under the blue dotted line, which is the value area low. And there's a 3R gain. It's as simple as that. Keep it simple. If you follow these rules, you'll do really well. Now I want to show you one other thing. Take those out, and we're going to introduce 2 indicators. This one here, this is volume aligned VWAP, and what this gives you is, and it's available on TradingView, it gives you this blue dotted line. We only take the trade if price is above that blue dotted line. The other indicator is this one here. This is multi-time frame volume profile. Now have a look at the orange and red here. It's actually clustered. There's 4 of them, and you won't see them because they're clustered together. But these are current day, previous day, current week, previous week volume profile. And what we're looking for is for price to get above this cluster, and we can actually set an alert. We can't do it on the replay, but you can select all bullish alerts, all bearish alerts, or all bullish and bearish alerts. So you can isolate it and select all bullish alerts. And you can do the same with this indicator as well. You can select all bullish alerts. So when this is breaking, you're going to receive all the alerts in the alerts log. I've actually got a alert here I need to look at. And then you take the trade. See the blue line? That's our VWAP. Previous day. You can throw them in for reference if you like. Okay, but we take that trade on this breakout above here. And what you're going to see is all these little alerts firing in here. Let's just change this to a bar. See these green alerts? These are the bullish alerts that we're looking for. So we take that trade, long position, on the breakout above current day value area high. We enter long right there, and we can target these levels. That's a previous monthly and weekly VWAP. I forgot to mention, we keep an eye on our diagonal trend as well. And it's as simple as that. So you can do it manually, or you can gain access to the indicators. And more important is access to my daily mentorship videos. I've been trading for over 20 years, and I share everything I know to my members in my videos. Yep, there's a 7-day free trial if you'd like to try that out. Just head over to my website, anthonyfx.com, and it's all on there. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.